Hi, I'm Wayne Ridgway with Burris and Ridgway Law Firm. We are a personal injury and workers' compensation firm handling cases across the state of South Carolina, primarily from our offices in Orangeburg, Columbia, and Lexington. We handle a wide variety of personal injury cases. More and more often these days, we see a lot of cases where we are representing an injured party who's been injured as a result of the actions of an intoxicated driver, someone who was driving under the influence of alcohol or some other form of drug at the time of the accident. One thing I want to explain about these types of cases is that these types of cases are cases that must be treated with a great amount of care on the very front end. And the reason for that is this. More often than not, there is not going to be enough insurance coverage in place for the drunk driver to compensate the plaintiff for the injuries that are as a result of the accident. And so what we are able to do is conduct a full-scale investigation on the front end of your case to determine what other forms of recovery there may be. In South Carolina, we have a body of law that we lawyers refer to as Dram Shop, D-R-A-M, Dram Shop law. And what that is a body of law that says this. It says it is illegal for an establishment that sells alcohol to continue to serve alcohol to someone after they have become intoxicated. I'm currently handling a very sad case locally where a bar locally allowed a gentleman to run up a bar tab that was larger than any bar tab most folks I know have ever had, and get in his vehicle, where he ran through a red light and into my clients, and significant injuries resulted from that accident. What we were able to do on the very front end of that case was conduct a full-scale investigation of the establishment that overserved him to make sure that we were able to gather all of the evidence that we would need to prove that case once that case got filed. We are now in the midst of litigation against that establishment, and they have preserved things like video footage and receipts that would show how much the bar tab was, specific information about how many drinks this gentleman had. South Carolina, we have this law for good reason, and the reason is there has to be some accountability for establishments that just continue to overserve. They create a very, very dangerous atmosphere for the motoring public. And in South Carolina, the legislature has decided that we are not going to allow that to continue to happen. At Burris and Ridgway, we'd be more than happy to take a look at your case to see if we can help you. We give a free consultation at any time in any one of our offices, or we would be more than happy to come to you.